Hey guys, hello there. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Steven. You can probably tell by the color of the walls, the light in the corner, and that window that I am in my studio apartment. It's still my apartment until the end of February officially, although this is probably the last time I'm going to walk in here. So I figured I would make a little video out of a sense of nostalgia, kind of. It's weird. I've moved a lot in life. I mean, countless times. And there's always a sense of bittersweet, what my future is going to be, and gratitude for what shelter that place gave me and the safety it gave me to do whatever I did during that time. Is that making any sense? So while I'm eager to leave this place, I can't help but be grateful for the shelter it gave me and the opportunities it gave me. I'm not sure if I already said this, but I was a reserve flight attendant when I got this apartment in October of 2017. And the things that have happened to me since in this apartment, or where I came back to this apartment, is insane. It's just to become a line holder, to start my YouTube channel, sitting in a chair in this corner right here, 3 years ago on Christmas Eve, becoming a line holder, being a flight attendant, living my life as a flight attendant, and then my cats, of course. Meeting Buddy. I met Buddy right outside the window here where I used to feed him. And then I met Eleanor and Claire, of course. And I'm going to give you a tour of this place. Many of you have joined my channel long after I filmed one of my first videos about being in a crash pad. And I gave you a quick tour of the place then. So, most of you didn't see that video, honestly. It was a long time ago. So I figured I'd film a little video. My hands are getting shaky, sorry. I figured I'd film a little video about my little studio and show you what space I have been living in for 2 years and what space Eleanor and Claire have been living in nonstop every day for 2 years. Buddy was in and out for a long time, but over the past 5 or 6 months, he was indoors as well. So they all got used to this space. So I figured I'd give you a little tour, and maybe we can all say goodbye to this place together. All right, so let me give you a little tour. I'm going to give it to you like I did a hotel room tour, okay? So, all right, so there's the bathroom, just a shower, little toilet right there. That's it. I used to have a cat tree right there. A little vanity mirror, walk-in closet, which was really more storage, and I had a kitty litter box back here as well. So there's a little walk-in closet, and a little dining area. I'll tell you about that in a moment. And this is the main living room or living area. My bed was over there. I had 2 chairs here. I have to mop that area before I go. The one window is there, my one door. And, I'll tell you, this living area here, this whole living area is smaller than my bedroom in my house. And then there's the tiny kitchen. When I moved in, that's not dirt. When I moved in and started using the stove, they had repainted the surface of the stove, but not with, I guess, the appropriate paint. So whatever happened. So the minute I turned heat on it, it all turned brown. But there's my little kitchen. It's teeny. Where I have my coffee maker, my Instant Pot, and a toaster up here. I almost had, 12 inches to work with in terms of cooking. While I lived here, the ceiling leaked. Can you tell? Can you see? There's a square here that they replaced. Then there's a square from here way down there to, can you see that little ridge? over there, that was replaced. And then this piece here was replaced. They cut into my ceiling 3 times. You can still see a piece where that paint puckered, where it was still leaking for like 2 years. And then over here, the ceiling was leaking under the paint. And by the time this happened, I had 3 cats. I had 3 cats in this house, and I wasn't going to let them come in and whatever, you know, move all my furniture, scare the cats to death to repaint that section. So that's been like that for like a year, if not longer. I didn't care. I wasn't living in a palace. But this is my little studio. It's crazy, including the closet and the bathroom and my tiny kitchen and my living area. It's like 450 square feet. It's basically my bedroom, the second bedroom, and a bathroom of my new house. So it's just, it's oh, hey, hi. Oh my God. Hi. It's a coworker. I want to say hi. I don't want to interrupt. No, you're not interrupting. I get to say goodbye. I will talk to you later. One sec. Well, that was nice. That was a coworker of mine who moved into this apartment complex just a couple months after me. We were just talking about how grateful we are for this complex that you know, allowed us to live in Las Vegas so affordably, and that's allowed us to do other things, you know, like buy a house. So yeah. There you go. So you've seen a tour of my apartment. Now let me show you. It's dark outside, but you'll see what's right outside my door. This is the window, of course. That's the window that Buddy would, you know, Buddy would sit. You can kind of see this dark spot. It's dirt. That's Buddy rubbed off on that. Buddy would sit here in that window, and he would just look out, and that was what he saw, and that's all he looked at for hours and hours. It's unchanging. There's nothing happening out there. And that's it. That's what he would look at. So behind this little thing here is the pool, right over there. The pool building, the pool house. There's a little teeny building right there. My neighbor that lives in there, he feeds Diana, so I'm very, very grateful to him. But this is what Buddy would look out at all day long, all night. The poor thing, just like eager to see something, you know, but there was just nothing out here. All right, so I have to throw that stuff in the trash. I have to put that stuff in the rental car and then scoot home. Oh, I have to take my vacuum cleaner. So there you go. There's a tour of my apartment. I think after I say goodbye to you guys and turn this off, I will kind of spend a quiet moment here, just trying to say maybe a thank you to the universe and everything, you know, my higher power that led me here so I could move on now to where I am in my new home. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon. All right, have a great night. Fly safe. Bye. All right, I've got one last little plate of cat food I'm going to put over here. I fed Diana earlier, and there's a neighbor over there who's giving me very dirty eyes, dirty looks. Put it right over here. All right. All right, so I gave Diana the last meal I'm going to give her, unless I stop by and sneak food over to her. Yeah, so I gave Diana her last meal for me earlier. And that was just my last can of food. Can you hear that? Can you hear that yelling? Yeah. It's just, the police were out here earlier twice, and now there's a bunch of people screaming and yelling. It happens all the time, and I'm just so grateful to be leaving. Oh my God. ready to go. All right. Goodbye, apartment. Thanks for everything. Hey guys, hi. So I am back at the apartment. I did not intend on coming back here, especially after last night with the police around here. It was just like, really, just get the heck out of here. But there was two things I forgot. First, I did not mop the kitchen floor, and if I had a single bone of respect in my body, I had to mop that floor. Plus, I found two super precious things while I was cleaning last night. Can you see them? They're whiskers from Buddy. They're Buddy's whiskers. And I know it's probably grotesque to keep two of his whiskers, but they're black, and they're so hard to see on the floor and stuff. And I found two of his little whiskers. It's like, keeping one of your children's teeth or something, or I don't know. But, oh, I love these little things. So I couldn't leave them behind, right? I am officially insane. Go ahead. I know. Go ahead, leave a comment. I'm officially insane. I had to get Buddy's whiskers. All right, so now I'm leaving, and I don't know if I've really shown you, but before I let you guys go, is the view from my front window during the day. And while it's better than the view at nighttime, it's pretty unchanging. And poor little Buddy, that's all he looked at. When he was looking out the window, this is what he saw. Every day, all day. Poor thing. At least now he has a better view outside of his window. All right. Say goodbye for the last time. Bye, apartment. See ya. Sayonara.